Hey everyone, welcome back to Alp's Mustang Garage. Today we finally get to show you the test drive on the 67 Mustang that we've been working on. If you've been following the channel, the content I've been throwing out there lately has been nothing but disc brake conversion on the front and transmission conversion, C4 automatic to 4-speed top loader. We finally get to conclude this series and show you the test drive and the results, and they were very good. The car's been done for a while now. It just takes me a long time to actually get these videos edited and uploaded, so we're moving on to other stuff, as you can see, but yeah, today we're gonna show you the test drive on that car. If you've been following the channel, you've probably been wondering, like, when are you gonna test drive it? So today is that day. So in case you haven't been following the channel, we pulled the C4 automatic out of it, threw in a 4-speed top loader, we did the pedals, we did disc brakes on the front, Kelsey Hayes original style calipers with a power brake booster from Leeds brake kit, and added the proportioning valve, and this thing is running and driving fantastic. I'm exceedingly excited over the results. I couldn't be happy with how it drives. It's just super smooth. It brakes like a modern car. It's absolutely amazing. But anyways, check it out. We're gonna have some fun today and kind of show you how she. Okay. I think we're ready to start this car up. Gear testing. Here's first. Wheel turning. First gear. Second. Third. Well, brakes work. Okay, should we go for a drive? Forward and backward.
Those are important steps.
Alright, let's go hot rod.
What was that? You're gonna what?
There we go.
Test drive one.
Just drive. Remember, I'm test driving the transmission for the first time and the new brakes. So
Double whammy.
lots of room for error here. That thing shifts smooth.
I didn't even feel it.
Good thing I didn't feel the transmission.
You got a guy for that.
Yeah, we got people for that. Thanks, AJ. Clutch goes smooth.
Oh, that wasn't so smooth.
Can't find the grinding.
Break those gears in.
Yeah. That's not what they mean by breaking it in. I'm happy so far.
It runs smooth. There's truck, there's truck, there's truck.
I know, it's a three-way, dude.
Oh my gosh. I was like, oh my gosh.
I think he's slowing down. Gosh, this is so fun to drive. Love the 4-speeds. They're just like super rugged. It's got I love the long throw. It's just old school stuff, you know. And they're super durable. Like, these things are like bulletproof, man. I mean,
Pretty zippy.
I mean, this car, it's not like it's a high horsepower car. Like, this is a driver car. You know, he wants to have fun with this thing.